Welcome to WebStylePress. I encountered a strange issue in Windows with image file associations. Almost every day I had to manually change the default program for viewing images. I would right-click an image, select Properties, click Change button in front of Open With, and select Photos. It temporarily fixed the issue, but by the next day it would automatically switch back to a different program. This kept happening on a daily basis. If you're in the same boat, here is the solution. Press Windows button on your keyboard. In Start menu, type Settings. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click Default Apps. Choose a default app for Photo Viewer. I prefer Photos app. And that's it. Now it will remain same unless it is changed from here or any other program changes this setting. Same goes for other default programs. Set your default program preference from this location. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.